What's up, everyone? It's your boy Fink here, and today it's a vlog. So I've been kind of away from doing the vlogs for a while, just because I just really want to take this time to figure out my style and really think about what I want. And on top of that too, I started getting bored with making them, and it was almost becoming like a chore. So I was like, I need to stop and just kind of refocus myself. So now the vlog is gonna be, I feel more natural and more kind of, I feel like I'm not trying as hard. I wish I had the drone right now. Speaking of which, I got a drone. Check it out. All right, anyways, so I got a drone. Now it's like, let me rephrase this. So I've really been just focused on grinding and working as much as I possibly can for the last couple months, and whether that's Lyft, Uber, random odd-end jobs that I can find, and even, am I balanced? I think that's better. And even, you know, of course, just finding any type of gigs that I can find. Done a couple of shoots over at the museum. I was a hired paparazzi. That was a lot of fun. And I've been shooting a lot of sports events as well. Now it's like I'm building my website out. I got a lot of content, been able to fill it up. Now I have a drone, which just expands my business to a whole new level. And it's a lot of fun to pilot. So, but yeah, just a random quick vlog. Wanted to kind of update everyone on where I've been, and yeah, that's it. So stay tuned. I want to get more frequent with this. Oh, and shout out to Christiana at the Italian station for helping me fix my my mic. My mic broke, and here I'll show you what happened. So yeah, so you can see there's just a bunch of Scotch tape. A bunch of Scotch tape is holding it together. Forgot to fly a drone and record. I think I'm in frame. You need you need an SD card. My favorite part of the drone is this right here. Hey. How's it going, man? Oh, I know, it's another day in paradise.